Hello everyone. Duduzile Zuma, the daughter of former President Jacob Zuma, is busy in the Twitter streets campaigning for the leader of economic freedom fighters, Julius Malema. Not so long ago, she said Julius is the future president of South Africa. She also joined the protest on the 20th of March, the national shutdown that was organized by the EFF. The opposition parties such as ATM and Areta also joined the march. The economic freedom fighters were calling for our current president Cyril Ramaphosa to resign because everything under his leadership is collapsing. They also protested for load shedding. Duduzile Zuma has once again shared on her timeline that Julius is the next president of RSA. She tweeted, "The giraffe's view is saying President of the Republic of South Africa, he Julius Malema. Pips must start on their high blood pressure medication now, so that you all don't get heart attacks come 2024. People reacted on her statement. One said, "I think we are safe because you have never ever predicted anything correctly." Another one asked her about his twin brother Duduzile Zuma and said, "How is your brother Duduzile, who is also campaigning to become the next president? You seem to be conflicted. Who do you support?" Another one said, "At the same juju, turn against your bar. Now because of your hatred of CR, you are now backing Juju. Okay, we wait to see you and your bar campaigning for Juju." Well, there's going to be national elections next year. Which party you'll vote for? Please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more news.